assuming yes, I am Layla, also known as Ms. Bohemia. I have a long wash day ahead of me because I am trying out a whole bunch of products. Today I'm starting out with a kind of product that I normally never use. Of course, it's by Soultanicals, the Not So Fast Detangling Kink drink. This was one of many incredible products from the Knot in Hair Emergency Kit, which you can view here. It's simply an unboxing, but it gives an idea as to the products that came in that kit. This is supposed to be sprayed onto dry or damp hair, and then they say just brush through the tangles. So I'm going to finger brush. I don't know if I'm gonna brush. And it's not something I normally do, and you can also use it for like second day hair, third day hair as a refresher. And normally when I refresh, because I do refresh every day, I refresh with water and then I add my products in. Today's wash day, so since my hair has gotten much longer, I do experience a lot more tangles than I did when my hair was shorter. I mean, I've always had long hair, I always had tangles, and then I cut my hair and I'm like, oh, I don't have tangles. Girl, your hair was short, that's why. So now my tangles are back, and I'm very curious to see how this works for me. So let's take this hair down. Earrings off. It says to section your hair. Normally when I style my hair, I do a whole bunch of sections because I also style brush my hair now. But I'm just gonna do some basic sections, and then we're gonna give it a try and just see how it goes. Oh, why doesn't it spray out? So it does like that straight on spray, so you can't really spray it onto the hair, and this would have been ideal to kind of like spray onto the hair. I have it on my hand. It's giving leave-in vibes. Ooh. Oh wow, this is incredible. Holy shit, I never thought something would just glide through my hair. You should see how I fight my hair sometimes with the tangles, especially down here at the tips. Wow. Ooh, what is the scent? If you've used Knot Sauce, it has a similar scent, but I would say a little more. You know, like when you have a chai latte. I like spicy chai lattes, but it's not a spicy chai latte scent. It's like a sweet, syrupy, thick, earthy chai scent. That's how I would describe it. So I'm pretty much going to use this in my wash day today to detangle my hair before I move on with the rest of the process. You know, even if this came with like one of the regular caps where you just squeeze the product out, it would work fine. I'm not spraying it onto the hair, so this is kind of like a pain to be doing this. And if I just had one of those basic caps, I could just, you know, go onto my hands, because that's pretty much what I'm doing. Yeah, I had a little bit tougher tangles here and it's going really well. Would I use this like a curl refresher? No, because it's adding product to my hair, and when I refresh my curls, I wet my hair and then I go in with whatever products my hair might need, which normally is leave-in, maybe extra styler, oils, and da-da-da. So this would be too much for me because it would be adding on an extra product. I'm gonna be using this as a detangler, and I'm glad that I'm testing it out as a detangler. I have a lot of product in my hair, so the whole thing feels a little sticky right now, which also goes to show that with the way that I style my hair and the fact that I refresh daily the way I refresh by adding extra product into my hair, this would be too much for me. Look, my hair is totally detangled. I'm not even tempted to use a brush. I'm normally very apprehensive about running a comb or brush through my hair if it's dry and not super wet, and with this I wouldn't be. Again, it feels sticky right now because I have a lot of product in my hair already from this past wash cycle. I like it. Oh, the scent. It is a very strong, beautiful scent. I actually really love it. Yes. This is a go. If from what I described, this kind of speaks to you and you're tempted to try it, I don't think you'll be disappointed. It's very rich, silken when you apply it, and glides through the hair. It definitely detangles. It's been quite the experience and I like it. Should you get it? Yes, because everything by Soultanicals is magical, so get it. That's it. This is where the video ends. And yes to the Not So Fast Detangling Kink drink. I love this. I love the scent. Coming at y'all hella busted. Oh my god. Thank God in most of this video I have makeup on. Hey, editor Layla here, inserting myself in, looking hella busted. This was filmed, I would say like 2 weeks ago, something like that. And I've had a few wash days with the product since. And so I was going on and trying to talk about how it could potentially work for me as a refresher, and it's not going to work for me as a refresher, mainly because I just use water to refresh. And so what I've been doing is I incorporated it into my routine in the shower. And what happens to my hair in the shower, since it's gotten long and it tangles again, anytime I shampoo my hair, it just gets tangled really badly, especially the middle of the hair going down is where I get the bulk of my tangles. So my hair could be okay, I shampoo it, it gets tangled no matter what. And so what I've started doing is that even though the description says to use it to detangle before shampooing, work it with your hair and your regimen the way that it works for you. And so the way it works for me is that I have learned that no matter what I do with shampoos, my hair gets tangled after shampooing. So I shampoo my hair, I use this to detangle my hair, and then I apply the deep deep conditioner. I don't really use regular conditioner. For the most part, I don't have regular conditioner in my shower. And so, you know, that way you can use something sparingly because you don't need too much to detangle your hair before moving into your deep conditioner, and you don't have to waste your deep conditioner. That's the use that it has for me, and I love it. It has found its niche in my routine. Back to the me from the video who doesn't look as busted as this. I don't know if this was a new release with the Knot in Hair emergency kit or if they've had this before. So if you know of this and you've tried it before, let me know and let me know how it works for you. If you like this video, hit like, comment, subscribe, and the notification bell to stay tuned for more. And I so appreciate you tuning in. Hope to see you in my next one. Ciao for now.